welcome to RepairDesk, where every deal brings us closer to our North Star, to be the most customer-centric, reliable, and innovative company in the repair industry. Let me take you through a day in the life of our sales consultant. Daily kickoff and debrief meeting is where we align as a team. Each sales specialist shares their pipeline and weekly commits, deals we're confident will close. We observe our customers' evolving needs so we can deliver a tailored experience to our clients. Our manager, Wase, highlights the focus areas and ensures we get back on track from any roadblocks. Not only do these meetings keep us aligned with our targets, but also encourage insightful exchanges by staying updated with the latest events, with plenty of humor to keep things lively. We set new hires up for success with a structured 3-week onboarding program, where they get hands-on with tools, learn the sales roadmap, and start to work on outbound leads early to build their confidence. It's all about helping them hit the ground running and deliver value from day one. Our sales cycle is all about trust and understanding. From pre-discovery to qualification, we connect with service-oriented businesses in different industries across the globe, tailoring our approach to their needs. We take pride in being transparent and never use pseudonyms, so customers know exactly who they're working with. At RepairDesk, our customers come first. With dynamic tools like Zoho CRM and 3CX, we connect instantly to ensure faster replies and smoother communication. AI-enabled processes like call decryption, scheduling, and data-driven lead enrichment ensures that no customer is left behind. From resolving queries to booking meetings, every step is designed to ensure that we value our customers' time and support them. At RepairDesk, collaboration is the backbone of our success. With the product team, we share customer feedback. The campaigns are aligned with the marketing team to generate high-quality leads. With customer success, we ensure smooth onboardings through detailed handover meetings. It's a team effort every step of the way. Every glance at that board reminds me, competition drives results. And around here, it's all about staying ahead. Every lead, every call, every deal, it's a chance to sharpen our skills and push each other to new heights. In sales, it's all about challenging yourself to be better, faster, and sharper. And when the rankings refresh, it's not just a number. It's a testament to the hustle, the strategy, and the determination we bring every single day. At RepairDesk, hard work truly pays off. Whether it's receiving a commission check, enjoying a quick game of table tennis, or sharing a meal with the team. At RepairDesk, sales is where innovation meets connection. It's not just about the numbers, it's about transforming challenges into opportunities and leaving a lasting impact on every customer we serve.